Dear viewers, today I come a beautiful fruit garden. Here we notice several types of fruits such as banana, jackfruit, sofeda, green coconut, nut, uh, lychee, and we also notice some beautiful fruits, local name chalta, and also a beautiful fruit, its local name amra. Okay, here viewers, it is the garden of Muslimuddin Pada. He is very well known farmer in South Dashpara area. People know him as a farmer. He is a fruit lover farmer. He planted several types of fruits in his garden. Jackfruit and mango is one of the best choice. Uh, uh, in these trees we notice many jackfruits, and Muslimuddin Pada is collecting jackfruit from tree. Okay, uh, uh, he's very old man, but he's very much a strong person. He is climbing trees to collect jackfruit. Wow, huge jackfruit. Actually, if you visit here, you will get all types of taste because it is a huge collection of fruit. Wow, mind blowing, monomugdukar. Uh, Fruit and fruit. I am staying in a deep sea. That means deep garden where we get huge types of fruit trees. Fruit everywhere. Fruit, jackfruit. Dear viewers, if you want to get I want to get the taste of jackfruit and other fruits, you can come here. Uh, mm, and I hope Muslimuddin Pada will give you uh, fruit without any cost. You also come here to collect fruit in very cheap rate. Dear viewers, thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching my video. I will come another day with another video. Thank you. ধন্যবাদ।